Tired of your laptop dragging you down? It's time to upgrade to the MacBook Air with M2 chip. This redesigned MacBook Air is not just strikingly thin and lightweight at 1.24 kilograms, but it's also a powerhouse. With an 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU, you'll breeze through tasks, whether you're working, playing, or creating. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display offers over 500 nits of brightness and supports 1 billion colors, giving you stunning visuals every time. And with up to 24 GB of unified memory, multitasking has never been smoother. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The MacBook Air promises up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can stay productive all day and well into the night. Need to look sharp on video calls? The 1080p FaceTime HD camera has got you covered. Plus, the 3-mic array and 4-speaker sound system with spatial audio ensure you sound as good as you look. Ready to experience supercharged performance and ultimate portability? Grab the MacBook Air with M2 chip today and unleash your potential.